Hello, good morning, students, uh, and good morning, class ninth. Today we'll be looking at exercise 3.1 and question number 26. Question number 26 says something like this: if 2a minus b plus c equals to 0, prove that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equals to 0 also. Now they have just given me this. I need to play around with this. I don't have to do anything with this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna do whatever I can with this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write 2a plus c equals to, and minus b is gonna go on that side and become plus b. When minus b goes on that side, now if you guys see over here in the proof, there is squares coming, right? And over here there are no squares. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put squares over here, squaring both the sides, squaring both the sides. And you might be thinking why I am squaring both the sides. Why I am squaring both the sides? If you look what is given to you and what you have to prove, there's a difference. And the difference is that what is given to you, there are no squares, whatever is given to you. Okay. And over here, there are squares given to you guys. Okay. So that's why we are squaring. So if you guys have a look over here, 2a plus c ka whole square is equals to 2a का whole square plus c का square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2a plus into c equals to b square. So it's gonna be 4a square plus c square plus 4ac equals to b square. Now what can I do? If you guys have a look, you guys can compare whatever you have is exactly the same what you have to prove. The only thing is b is on the other side, so I'm going to shift b on this side. So it's going to be 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac, and there's nothing left on that side, so 0 is left with me. So this was question number 26. Okay, let's have a look in question number 27 now. Question number 27 says a plus b plus 2c equals to 0. Prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube equals to 6abc. Now all I can do is with this thing. I cannot do anything with this thing. Now the problem is, what is the relation between the simple term and the terms which have cubes with them? There's only one formula. If you guys go through the first page of this chapter, and you'll find there's only this formula that is related this. If you guys can see, the simple numbers and the cube numbers and also the square numbers, this is the only formula. So the relation between this, the simple terms and the cube term, is only one formula, and that is this formula. Okay, I need to figure out who's taking a's place, who's taking b's place, who's taking c's place. Now c place is taken by 2c, so I'm going to write down the formula a plus b plus 2c. So I'm writing the question according to the formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2c whole square. Okay, so this is c for me, minus a into b minus b into 2c minus 2c into a, that is 2ac, equals to a cube plus b cube plus 2c whole cube minus 3abc. Okay, now what I need to do is, I need to put the values, the value that is already given to me. What is the value that is given to me? A plus b plus 2c equals to 0. So where do you see that? I see it over here. So in place of this, I'm going to put 0 over here. Okay, so when I put 0 over here, now if you guys have a look, when 0 gets multiplied with anything, okay, if 0 gets multiplied by anything, you get a 0. A cube plus b cube plus 8c cube, cube is also gonna go to 2, so when it goes to 2, it's gonna become 8, minus, and over here I did a little mistake. Okay, and you need to figure out what's the mistake. C नहीं है यहाँ पे, A B into 2C आना चाहिए था यहाँ पे, ठीक है. So it's gonna become 6ABC. 3 into 2 6 ABC. Okay, now this becomes 0 equals to A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube and minus 6ABC. I don't need it over here because according to the thing that I have to prove, that needs to be on the other side. So minus 6ABC, if I take on the other side, so it's going to be 6ABC equals to A cube plus B cube plus 8C cube. Okay, and this is my answer, this is my proof. Okay, let's have a look in question number 28 now. Question number 28 says a plus b plus c equals to 0. Then I have to find the value of a square upon bc plus b square upon c plus c square upon ab. I have to find the value. What is the value of this gonna be? 3, 5, 6, 8. Okay, whenever they tell you guys to find value, then I have to find the number. Over here, I have written down the formula already, if you guys can see. And they have given me the value of something, and the value of a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so I have this formula. I'm going to put the value of a plus b plus c equals to 0. Where do you see a plus b plus c together? Wherever you see, you're just going to put 0 over there. So everything becomes 0 because 0 multiplied by something, it's 0. And over here they are getting multiplied. Okay, when two brackets are there is no sign between two brackets, it means both the brackets are getting multiplied. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting this minus 3abc on one side, so it's gonna become 3abc equals to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, done. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I got the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. What is the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? 3abc. But this was none of my business. I don't have to prove this. Why did I prove this? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work a little bit on what I have to prove. Okay, so what do I have to prove is this: a square upon bc plus b square plus ca plus c square upon ab. Now what I'm doing over here is this, that I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna make it simplify this thing whatever is given to me. So if you guys see, I can find out LCM. The LCM of all of this term is gonna be abc. Okay, so the LCM is gonna be a b c. What is missing over here? A is missing over here. So what I'm gonna multiply over here? Into a. Over here also into a. Okay, over here into b into c into c. Now you guys can figure that out, that this is gonna become a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, I just have simplified whatever was given to me. Now if you guys have a look back again to the question, what was the question and what you guys got, a cube प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब की वैल्यू कितनी है 3abc. तो आपको ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब कहाँ दिख रहा है? यहाँ पर है. तो इसकी जगह आप क्या डाल दोगे? 3abc अपॉन नीचे क्या है ऑलरेडी abc. कैन समथिंग गेट कैंसल्ड आउट? यस, देयर इज समथिंग दैट कैन गेट कैंसल्ड आउट. Okay, so what's my answer? 3 is my answer. Okay, let's have a look in question number 30. What does question number 30 says? Without actually calculating the cubes, find the values. I don't have to calculate the cubes, 27 into 27 into 27, then 17 into 17 into 17. So there are cubes over here, and I can see that there's only one formula that have cubes, and that is this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna write the values down. So who's acting as A over here? 27, B minus 17, and C minus 10. Okay, so I'm gonna write the values down over here. So 27 in B's place, minus 17, minus 10. Okay, then bracket, I'm gonna write 27 whole square plus minus 17 whole square plus minus 10 whole square minus 27 into 17 and then minus 17 into minus 10 and then minus 10 into 27 equals to, I'm writing it down over here, 27 का whole cube plus minus 17 का whole cube plus minus 10 का whole cube minus 3 into 27 into, I'm writing it over here, 17 into 10. Okay, I'm sorry for the there's no space over here. I should have done it over here. Anyhow, but when I solve this, what I'm gonna get? 27 minus 17 minus 10 equals to what? 0. So when 0 gets multiplied by anything, it becomes 0. So what is left with me over here? 27 whole cube plus minus 17 whole cube plus minus 10 whole cube. And when I multiply 3 into 27 into 17 into 10, okay, this is negative, this is negative. When I multiply this, what I'm gonna get is 0 is equals to 27 plus minus 17 whole cube plus minus 10, and when I multiply this, I'm gonna get minus 13770. You can multiply this and you'll also get 13770. Minus 13770 is, if that comes on this side, it's gonna become plus. Why minus? Because एक माइनस इधर है, एक माइनस इधर है और एक माइनस इधर है, तो कितने माइनस हो गए? 3 माइनस हो गए। 3 माइनस जब भी होते तो माइनस का साइन ही आएगा। जब वो इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 13770 इक्वल्स टू, आपको इस चीज़ की वैल्यू ढूंढनी थी, बिना क्यूब निकाले आपकी वैल्यू आ गई। दिस इज योर आंसर, 13770। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस।